How to use Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use Instagram as a beginner, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have recently just signed up for Instagram and then you want to learn how to begin using it, it's very simple. As in when you launch the Instagram app now, I'm assuming that you've already created an account, signed in and done everything else. If you don't know how to do that, we've also already made a dedicated video, so you can watch that first and then come back to the video. I won't cover them here because it's going to be too long. Once you log into the account, by default this is how you see the interface. If you look right at the very top, these are all the stories of the people that you're connected with, so you can simply go ahead and basically log in, and if you follow them you'll be able to see their stories, you'll be able to react to them or do whatever else you can prefer. If you scroll over here, you'll be able to see the feeds and photos that your friends or everyone else has posted on their profile, so only if you follow them, otherwise you'll be able to see the suggested tab based on what you see. The next thing over here is a search or the explore button. You can simply see all of the suggested posts and then follow them, or I can simply search for peoples and follow them accordingly as well. You can go to the plus option over here to actually begin going live, or you can also create a reel, you can create a story, or you can also create a post depending upon what you want. If you come to this reels tab, you'll be able to actually go ahead and then create a specific reel, or you can also go ahead and watch other reels, like them, share them, or do whatever else you can prefer here. If you come to the profile page, of course this is your own Instagram profile where you'll be able to edit your profile, update your bio, update your profile picture, your highlights, and then you'll also be able to create your own Instagram posts and share them. If you tap the three lines option and then go to settings, here you'll be able to see all your personal account and privacy settings. If you want to message someone on Instagram, just come to the home page, tap the DMs icon, and you'll be able to send and receive messages on Instagram respectively. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically actually use Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in this next video.